my travel tribe, welcome again to her journey journal. How are you guys? Are you holding up? I hope you are all doing fine. Me, I'm doing okay, and I'm set for a road trip. I'm doing a random road trip today. It's on a weekday. I happen to be in Nairobi. I'm home. So I don't know where I'm going, but I'm for sure doing a road trip. So whichever destination wins, I'm for it. Guys, thank you for subscribing. For the returning ones, you guys are my friends. And for the new ones, welcome to her journey journal, and let's keep bonding. So guys, I am driving to just anywhere. I want to do a staycation. So I'll decide as I go. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned. Taking a short road trip to Sagana. Sagana is past Thika Road and past past Makuyu. So let's tour Sagana together. So guys, we just arrived at, it's called Havila in Sagana, and it's so pretty. They have boat riding and so many activities. I'm going to check the rooms so that I can see which room will be good for me for this day. Stay tuned. So my friend has chosen this room. Let me do a quick room tour. One bed, just a simple room for the night, and that's me. So it's just a room. They have this one is a water heater and a seat. And then this is the shower and toilet. No bathtub, just a shower, just a simple place for tonight. and the sink. So guys, let me also give you a quick room tour of how my room looks like. Let's start from here, the door, and then here is the Bible sockets. We are in Kenya, so the sockets are normal, the usual ones. You don't need an adapter. The detail. I love this space. It's a very simple, small space, but I'm in love. Birds, wildlife. I love wildlife. And then this, they have a mirror. So from the door, we have a window here. And the other side, the view is for a river. You can hear the sound. And then the ceiling. Here is the ceiling. They have a fan just in case it's too hot. I doubt if it's too hot for me, I get cold easily. And then the lights, the TV, telephone. This toy now I'll not use. I'll not need a wake up call. And then there's a table and chair, water, utensils if you need quick coffee. If you have stuff you can put here, kettle, towels, just simple, but I love it. Semi-camping night. Then this is the ceiling. It's so beautiful. And then this is the washroom and shower, not bathtub, but that's fine. Toilet and sink. It's just a place for a night or two, so I'm content. Yeah, more sockets. That's how it looks. This place, it's Havana in Sagana. I have always wanted to come to Sagana, and I'm glad I'm here today. We are in Sagana, and guys, sunset. So let me show you the environment. They call this River Sagana, but it is part of River Tana. It's so calming. I love water. I don't know if my element is water. I don't believe in those things, but water calms me down. I love nature. I feel like now I'm connecting with nature. So I'll be here tonight, and I'll decide if I'll go back tomorrow or extend. So I'm here, I'll chill here by this river. There's also sunset, and then later I'll go for dinner together with my friend. I don't know why I'm saying we. Yeah, and I'm glowing, even though I have this period pimple, but The sun is doing me justice. Guys, I've been given an upgrade and I've been shifted to this room, so I'm staying here. This one goes for 10,500, but I haven't paid the entire amount. I think I may extend my stay for one more day because of the upgrade. It's kind of discount. The washroom is better than the other one. It doesn't have a bathtub, but it's way much better. I also love the other one, but if I'm given an upgrade, I cannot say no. This one has a fridge, a bigger screen, and things are a little bit different, like the bed, but it's still okay. Let me enjoy the benefits. Yeah. Hello my travel tribe, just a quick update. So it's past midnight, almost 3 a.m. This is the time I'm going to bed. I've really had a good day. This was a random road trip. I wasn't even sure I was coming to Sagana, but I'm grateful I came here. So me together with a friend of mine who is in another room, we have had a good time. So we arrived around 4 p.m, which was so early. We went to the river, we walked around. This place is so epic. Nature, the river, the trees. I really love nature, and bushes. I love bushes. So after that we went for dinner. I didn't vlog during dinner because my phone was charging. Thereafter I took my phone and then we went for Bonfire. Epic. So we bonded, story time, and now it's time to sleep. And then tomorrow I think we'll play some games. There will be some activities. It's just random, so we are going with the flow. And this hotel is so nice. So guys, I will put a number. Anyone who wants to come or anything, you can check it up. So yeah, don't know why random things actually turn out to be the best. You see, those things that you don't plan, they just flow so well. Like today, I woke up in the morning. I didn't know I was going to do this, and then I decided I don't have anything I'm doing. I can drive somewhere. And then I got a friend of mine who was also free. We actually used this car, so I'm like, we woke up not knowing what we wanted to do, and we've really had a good time. Guys, moments like this are heavenly. I live for such moments, so I'm so happy to do this. I'm so happy to get people that I'm able to do this with, and I hope to have more of this. So I may stay here again tomorrow. Actually not tomorrow, it's already a new day today. 50-50. We'll see how the day turns out. I think I'll wake up maybe 9 or 10, go for breakfast, and then see what to do. So guys, let's do Sagana with you. It's my first time in Sagana, so I'm loving it already. The weather is so nice, or especially because of the river. It's cool. And another thing, for those who camp or go places like this, most of the times there are mosquitoes, so I always carry my mosquito repellent, which is helpful because I don't get bitten by mosquitoes. So when you go to such places, ensure you carry mosquito repellent if there are no nets. Hello, my travel tribe. I just woke up. We are still in Sagana. It's 11 a.m. My plan was to wake up at 6-7, go for a walk, but I didn't manage. I think my friend did the walk by himself. So I want to go for breakfast right now, and then I think I'll do the walk. But I know it could be better than now if I did it in the morning, but I'm on vacation. I feel like I've been flexing these nails way too much, but they look good. They look good. Guys, let's meet at breakfast or when we go for a walk. Winnie, ni samaki wagani wako hapa? Mudfish is kamongo. So people do fishing. You fish and you go with the fish, or you pay? We are going with fish today. Ah, okay. So we'll boat ride and then go with the fish. So guys, I'm here for a walk. We have a river and a fish pond with chocolate. It has melted, but the taste is still there. Nawambianga msikae kwa nyumba. Look how pretty this place is. So guys, today we are sleeping here at this outside tent. There's a river this side and this side, and we will be grilling our nyam chom here. The river continues to the other side. We will have our bonfire here. And this is our tent. So I extended for one more day and decided I'll sleep here tonight. The tent is a little muddy, but it's clean on the inside. Camp life. Here is the lighting. This one, if it's at night, it will shed some light here in the bushes. There is this one, and then the next one is somewhere there. Huh? Very good. Oh my god, it's departure time. So I had said we are having another night here, but we've seen some other deals somewhere else, and we've decided to go to the other place. So we are checking out now. It's 2 p.m. and you'll see the place where we are going in my next vlog. So this place has been so awesome. I've enjoyed everything, and I look forward to more adventures, not necessarily here, the next place where I'm going, and the next and the next. So stay tuned.